Let's talk about tretinoin. This is the hero ingredient that made my skin go from this to this in just 30 days. Same lighting, same angle, same location for both before and after picture. Just 30 days of difference. I am not lying. This one product can give your skin tons of benefit. It can remove acne, acne scars, dark spots, pigmentation, wrinkles, and it can even lighten your skin with the price tag of just Rs 160. But if you don't use it properly, then this one product can give your skin tons of problem as well. So let's understand how tretinoin works. In simple words, tretinoin increases the cell turnover. That means it works by removing the older skin with new skin by removing the outermost layer of the skin. So now think, if the outermost layer of the skin keep changing to new fresh one, then how long will it take your acne, acne scars, pigmentation to fade? Not long enough. But there is a thing that makes people leave tretinoin. I call those people very sensitive and impatient. Let me explain in simple words. Tretinoin is a strong acid which works by increasing the cell turnover, right? So when tretinoin is first introduced to our skin is not adjusted with it and it thinks, ooh, what is it? And our skin starts producing side effects which are dryness, itchiness, redness, acne breakouts, which is totally normal. You have to understand that this is the process of tretinoin working. You will have to give your skin some time to adjust with this powerful ingredient. It will take around 1 or max 2 weeks for your skin to adjust with tretinoin, and then tretinoin will start showing its magic. Just make sure to do one thing: avoid applying tretinoin near your eyes, nose and mouth. Now, even though 2 weeks are not that long, but it's still hard to bear those itching and red skin for that long. So, here is how you can avoid getting side effects of tretinoin. The solution is using hyaluronic acid with tretinoin. So, start with applying water all over your face. Make your skin damp, then apply hyaluronic acid. I am using Hyalogel Plus. After applying, let it absorb into the skin and make sure it's fully absorbed. Then take pea-size amount of tretinoin and apply it all over your face. Hyaluronic acid will maintain the skin barrier by giving it intense amount of hydration, while tretinoin slough off the outermost layer of the skin. Once applied, let it sit for 20 minutes. Then apply thick amount of moisturizer all over your face. I am using my all-time favorite moisturizer, Aquasoft FC. You can watch detailed video about this moisturizer from the icard above. Now, there are a lot of people who complain that they are not getting any results from using tretinoin. Instead, their skin is getting darker. So, there are two things that are very important if you are using tretinoin. They are moisturizer and sunscreen. As I said earlier, tretinoin dries out the skin, so you will need a good moisturizer which has either ceramide, hyaluronic acid or vitamin E. And while using tretinoin or any active acid, your skin becomes very sensitive to sunlight. So if you go out in direct sunlight without using any protection, then your skin will definitely get tan and pigmented. So using a sunscreen is very important. Choose a sunscreen which has SPF 50 with PA++++ rating and reapply it every 4 hours if you are outdoor. You can watch this video if you want to find best sunscreen for your skin type under Rs500. Now there are few people who are not supposed to use tretinoin. Those are lactating or pregnant women, people with sensitive skin type, and people who spend most of their time in direct sunlight. For sensitive skin type people, you guys may use retinol instead of tretinoin. Now, a lot of people ask me if they will get the exact same results I got from using tretinoin in just 30 days. So the answer is maybe yes or maybe not. Hear me out first before coming at me in the comment section. One of my cousin had mild acne breakout and she recovered her skin in 2 weeks only. On the other hand, one of my followers had acne and acne scars for 6 years and she used my skincare routine and got 80% of her skin recovered in 4 months. So the point to be noted here is you will get the result. Be it less than 30 days or more than 30 days, you will definitely get great results. And after all, that's the goal, right? To have fabulous clear skin. Now let's talk about concentration. We mainly have 0.025% and 0.05% concentration of tretinoin. You should always go for 0.025% one as a beginner. If you think higher concentration will give you faster results, then that's a no. It will just give you too much side effects, so it's not worth. Now let's think about the long run. Tretinoin is great for anti-aging, right? So if you are a person who wants to have glass-like skin in your 40s or 50s, then start using tretinoin now. Start with applying tretinoin every day for 1 year. Then use it on alternative days for 1 year. After that, introduce 0.05% concentration to your skin. That time again it will be a little painful for your skin. Once you are adjusted with the 0.05% one, use it 3 or 4 times a week for the rest of your life along with sunscreen and moisturizer. So I guess I have covered everything about tretinoin, but if you still have any question left, then let me know in the comment section. If your loved ones are suffering from acne, acne scars, pigmentation, dark spots, then share this video with them. Do subscribe my channel so that we can meet again in my next video. Bye bye.